There are millions of aspirants that are giving up their youth just chasing a government badge. There are a lot of homemakers that are living someone else's dream and hadn't even left out their own. There are a lot of working professionals that are going up for the job that they don't desire to. That's why they are numbing their spirits. So all those people had one thing common, and that is struggle. I call them strugglers because they are struggling day in day out, because they themselves is not present anywhere. They are working on someone else's plan A, but they don't have something called plan B where they themselves will be present. So hello guys, my name is Avinash Kirk. I am digital reinvention coach. I do know the pain that they all are going because I had been to that space, but currently I had evolved as a person, and that's why I'm a successful woman in front of you. One of my achievement is ClickBank Platinum. The Platinum membership means that I had earned more than 2.5 lakh USD dollar per year. So by this, I just want to let you know that I do know how it feels when we liberate ourselves from all those type of struggles and we live a life of our dreams. My vision is to help the silent strugglers, that means the aspirants, the homemakers, the working professionals that are struggling day in day out, to have their voice, to have their authenticity, to live the life that they dreamt of, not the life that somebody taught them. With this in my mind, I started that liberation movement called Digital Reinvention Journey, where I want people to understand that they can reinvent themselves anytime that they want. It's not necessary that you should start at particular age, you start with particular skill set. You can start off with your journey whenever you want to start. I help them to convert their experiences into expertise using the power of AI, personal branding, and aligned affiliate systems. I want their voice to be turned into value, even if they think that they are starting off from zero skills, because I personally believe that there is nothing called zero skills. That's some sort of mind block that we all do have. Otherwise, there is nothing called zero skill. We all have a unique ability, unique talent that is associated with ourselves. The only thing that we have to understand is we have to work from that space only and work with authenticity. When we have that authenticity, and things will fall in the place. So it's time to stop waiting for permission. It's time to stop seeking validations. It's time to just start off with your plan U, where you yourself will be present. So I just want you to start off with your liberation journey and join the digital reinvention movement, and I will see you all over there. To join the same, just check the link in description, register yourself, and I will be glad to have you over there, and I want you to transform from silent struggler to liberator. So see you there.